All right, welcome to another episode of Lethal Circuit. I'm Taylor and this is
Steve.
And today we are going to be going over SteelSeries' newest wireless headphones for your gaming needs. I personally haven't had the opportunity. These are mine right here. I will unbox them here in front of you guys. But my main man Steve right here, he got a hold of them last night. What'd you think?
They're dope. They're dope. I'm a big fan. I've been using the NovaPro Wireless.
These guys?
These I've been using these for well over a year now, and they're great. I really don't have any complaints about these headsets, and I've had almost at least half a dozen different sets of gaming headsets. So these are probably my favorite. And then using these last night, SteelSeries was somehow they were able to step it up a notch and make a great product even better. So we're gonna unbox the new ones right here, which is the NovaPro Wireless. And then I'll talk a little bit about what I liked, and then from what I've had in the past, and then how these are better than everything else so far. So go ahead.
All right, well, I've been a Turtle Beach guy all these years, so yeah, Steve put me on game.
I'm not a fan of Turtle Beach. I had a headset of Turtle Beach. I think I returned it the same day. But
they work for me. Again, I'm not that, like, I love sound and everything like that, but I like them because of their versatility. I can take them where I want, and I didn't look crazy doing it at the same time. But so these are the SteelSeries. We're getting into it. The unboxing, it's going down. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. I have no idea what that is, but it's cool. It's pretty.
It's instruction.
Oh, first edition for glory. For glory. It's going down. All right, so you're gonna have to walk me through this, Steve, because I'm new to SteelSeries. Oh, they're pretty.
So yeah, they're really, so the initial Arctis Pro, it feels really premium. It's not cheap, flimsy plastic. It's got a really nice soft headband that you can adjust. And then the ear cups, it's a nice soft cloth. Pretty deep as far as, like, you can put them on and they won't hit your ear. I never really had a problem with that. Some people, that's a big deal, but I had no issues. The buttons are super easy. The mic control, the volume, and then the mic itself is all on the left side. And then you can pull it out, you can adjust it, and it retracts if you don't want to use it. Just put them on, huh?
Yeah, I'm following your lead, bro.
And so I would say the first thing that I noticed that was a little bit more of a higher quality on the new NovaPro than the Arctis Pro. It's a thicker material.
It's very comfortable. I'll say that it's really comfortable.
It's got the headband. It's built a little bit differently. How this one wrapped around the top, and it was a Velcro that you would do and undo. This one has snaps on the inside, so it's a little easier to use, but it's just as effective. So again, they made it better.
So this doesn't have a boom.
It does have a boom, and it's on your left-hand side, and it pulls right out.
That is breaker niner. Come in.
Yeah, it's nice. And the ear cups
Tower 1645.
The ear cups are a nice. It's like a leatherette, you know.
And the ear cups are comfortable.
Yeah.
If I'm yelling, it's because the cancellation from the ear muffs or whatever.
And Taylor will notice here on the back side of the microphone, it has a little intake speaker. So that's where it gets a lot of the noise canceling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is wow. That's impressive.
Yeah. No, it's nice.
That's clean, dude.
So I have the Astro, or I still have the A50s, and these were great. I think this is my second pair of headphones that I ever had. I used them for a long time. The battery life really started to go downhill the more I used them.
And how much were these?
Oh, these were like, I think $50 when they first came out.
Okay, and we got this on.
We got that
at Best Buy.
At Best Buy.
Originally they were
$349,
but
we did a little price
insider price match for you. Amazon has them right now for, what was it,
We got it for $237.
Yeah, just about.
So that's a steal. Yeah, that's hard to say it's not worth it on that. So
on average though, because I mean, at the end of the day, we're talking about a lot of money here, you know, with all these products that we got. Technology's expensive, but sometimes you just need something to get you through. You know? So is this worth the $300, $200 that you're gonna be spending for the sound and your gaming needs?
So it depends on what kind of gamer you are. Like, you know, a lot of the spatial audio that is in games now is kind of a big deal. It's a big deal to me. I would say if you're leaning towards more the competitive games, I would definitely say this is a good buy.
Your ears are important.
Ears are important.
I like it.
You gotta have. I mean, one of the best parts about a game is the audio. So,
and what is this, man?
This is the interface deck, I guess you could say. But this here allows you to control the audio profile. On the back here, you can hook this up to an Xbox or the USB option is for the PC. Or you can even hook it up to a PlayStation as well at the same time, which is another thing that you don't have to keep unplugging if you want to switch. So you can plug this into either a PC or Xbox or PlayStation and just leave it. And you can control it all from the knob here on the front. And one of the best things that...
I'm assuming this is a battery?
That is a battery.
Yes, sir.
And so this will charge your battery right here as you play.
Just push it up so that they can see it.
So you're gonna have this on your desk, whatever you're playing, cool. And it goes right here in the side, the other way. Boom, like so.
So this one has a battery in it right now.
Already, and it's on the right-hand side, here.
Right here, in here?
Yep.
So I'm peeling this back.
The side panel is...
That's actually really easy.
Yeah.
Really I like that.
Yeah.
Quick, you know, like a NASCAR. Pit.
So it's basically it's seamless playtime. So you never have to say, oh, I gotta charge my headset, because while you're playing, your next battery is already charging. So that's great, you know.
Dude, I would fail if this was NASCAR.
This has Bluetooth as well.
Damn.
So
that was pretty quick and easy.
So Taylor could be playing, he could be streaming, whatever, and he can have it hooked up to his phone and he can take calls. Another thing I'll say about the software from SteelSeries is it's pretty easy to use and it's pretty dialed. They've got a new spatial program called Sonar. And it's right up there with the DTS, THX, what other ones? That's pretty much it.
Dolby. Is Dolby
Atmos.
Are they still in the game? Are they still in the game?
They're still in the game.
Right,
they're big. Yeah, the Dolby Atmos thing is really good. So I would say DTS and the Dolby Atmos are number one. Yeah. So it comes with 2 USB cords, so you can, like I said, hook it into 2 different things and not have to worry about unplugging it. If you change one, it's all on this dial right here. And that's it. And so going back to like the other headsets, you know, these were good. I had the leatherette cups, just like these, so they're comfortable. These actually got a little bit hotter. So I was wearing those last night, probably 5 hours, and I had no issues.
So you're gonna start, I mean, are they lethal circuit worthy?
These are definitely lethal circuit worthy, hands down. Boom. If you're in the market for headphones and sound is a big deal for you, then these are gonna be right up your alley.
Right on. SteelSeries coming in hot with these new wireless headphones that are apparently really bitchin'. I can't wait to actually get the chance to play with them. Sounds like Christian got it all dialed in. A lot of really cool features on them, a lot of new stuff. Thank you guys for hanging in there with us, going through this stuff. Like I said, we're here for you. So if there's anything that you guys want to see, please let us know. But that's going to do it for us today. Chrisman?
Yeah, that's it. If you guys like the content, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to get more content just like this. We got a lot of stuff coming out. And
let us know what you want.
Yeah, let us know. Hit the bell notification so you guys get notified when we do release new content. And leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see reviewed, and we'll get to it.
And even leave your experiences. If you have these same products that we were reviewing and everything like that, leave your experiences, leave your reviews so people can get different perspective. We're all about perspective here.
That's it.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.
Have a good one.